The Milkman sure delivered tonight. What a game from Zac Gallen.
That's right, Mike, an utterly impressive performance. Well, let's go to the press room right now to hear from the Milkman himself.
Great game out there tonight, Zach. You've been nicknamed the Milkman by the fans, and a lot of them are wondering what your favorite dairy product is and why. Could you speak to that?
Yeah, my favorite dairy product is chocolate milk. I love the way it tastes. It's a good bedtime snack for me. Right before I go to bed, I hit a glass of chocolate milk.
You've worked hard to get to this point in your career. Could you speak to your favorite memory with dairy thus far in your life?
Yeah, for me, my mom's side of the family is Italian, so my grandma used to make these cheese raviolis with some ricotta cheese inside, and those were very good when I was a kid. They still are good today. Wow.
Milkman, you like to work pretty fast up there on the mound. Did you know that there are milkmen all over Arizona that deliver milk from farm to store in 48 hours?
I did not know that, but apparently I have some competition out there, though.
There have been rumors that your secret to success is your dairy-based workouts. Could you speak to how the Gallens helped the Gallen?
No comment.